Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. Have you ever wondered if you could turn your thoughts or emotions into actual music without needing any musical skills?
Every corner, a memory's been born. Past the diner where we'd gather late till the coffee was cold. Our stories would take flight. Now the signs dim, the chairs are empty, but my heart's full, still holding on to that moment.
What if you could type a simple prompt and instantly generate a full song in your favorite genre? Pop, hip-hop, rock, or even a sad emotional track. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. In today's video, we're exploring Mureka AI, an amazing tool that turns your ideas into AI-generated songs in just a few clicks. Whether you have lyrics, a vibe in mind, or just want to experiment, Mureka makes it incredibly easy. So are you ready to turn your imagination into music? Let's dive in. Once you click the link and create your free account, you'll land on a clean and simple interface with two main tabs: Basic and Advanced. Starting with the Basic tab, all you need to do is enter a short text prompt, something like a song idea, a phrase, or a feeling. And if you're unsure what to write, no worries. The tool provides helpful prompt suggestions and lets you pick your preferred genre like pop, rock, hip-hop, disco, and more. And click Create. Within seconds, Mureka AI generates two unique tracks based on your input. Hit Create, and two lively tracks appeared within moments.
Every corner, a memory's been born. Past the diner where we'd gather late till the coffee was cold. Our stories would take flight. Now the signs dim, the chairs are empty, but my heart's full, still holding on to that moment.
The quality is impressive. They sound like they came out of a professional studio.
In the glow of old street lights, I drive slow through the quiet. The town's just like a show. Echoes of laughter, of times long gone.
Now I tried something emotional. Next, let's explore the Advanced tab where Mureka gives you more control to customize your music. Here you can refine your song using options like uploading a reference track, selecting vocal styles, describing your song's mood and genre, or even inputting your own melody. The reference feature allows you to guide the AI by uploading an audio file, pasting a YouTube link, or using built-in examples from Mureka's library.
Once de la noche todavía no contesta. Una de la mañana todavía no hay respuesta.
It will generate a song that matches the feel and structure of your reference.
In the dawn's first light, I set my feet on a path where whispers guide me deep. Through forests old and mountains high, each step a tale, each journey nigh. By rivers wide and deserts dry, I find my strength, I find my sky. With every challenge I grow more bold, in this world where dreams are told.
Then there's the vocal feature, one of the most exciting parts. You can upload your own vocals or choose from various built-in voices to bring your lyrics to life.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path fell.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so hard. Then I
Just add your lyrics, choose a vocal style like male or female, soft or powerful, and hit create to generate a new version of your track with a completely different vibe.
my path will whispers guide me deep through forests old and mountains high. Each step a tale, each journey night.
You'll also find a description tab where you can fully define the style of your music by selecting genre, pop, rock, folk, etc. Mood, happy, sad, chill, and vocal type. Once that's set, just enter your lyrics and click Generate.
In a land of whispers and shadows so deep, a wanderer sets forth with a heart full of sleep. Through forests dark and deserts vast and wide, they search for truth where the sun and moon collide.
Mureka AI will craft a track that perfectly matches your choices.
Next up is the Instrumental tab. And this is where things get really exciting for anyone looking to create pure background music without vocals. First, click on the Advanced button to unlock more detailed customization options. You'll see two main choices. Either upload your own reference audio, or explore Mureka's built-in music library. Let's start by trying out the music library. It offers a wide variety of sample tracks to choose from. Just pick one that fits your desired style, hit create. And within seconds, Mureka generates 2 new instrumental tracks inspired by that reference. But that's not all. You can also upload your own audio file if you want a more personalized result. Now that everything is set, I'll give my track a title and click Create. Within seconds, Mureka AI generates 2 fresh instrumental tracks, based on my reference audio.
This tool makes the entire process simple, fast, and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.